How to deposit money on PrizePicks fast. So if you want to deposit money on PrizePicks pretty quickly, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, and the quickest way to actually deposit money is by using an instant bank transfer, or you can also use your credit or debit card or Visa cards, or you can use an existing PayPal balance. Now if you have a Visa or Discover or credit card, you can go to the deposit page, which is app.prizepicks.com/deposit, or you can use the application and navigate a deposit page, enter your card information and deposit it. You can also use bank transfer, so input your deposit amount, click on instant bank transfer. It will take you to a new secure window. You can select your bank, type in your online banking username and password, and after that enter the deposit amount, or if you already have funds in your PayPal account, you can also deposit instantly with those funds. This way you'll be able to deposit on PrizePicks quickly. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.